What do you mean this is the best roadside fan find ever? It's just some piece of crap from 2008. Well, there's more than one. Ta-da! McGraw-Edison 2-speed 9-inch oscillating fan. Yeah, these are made by Matsushita, I mean, and they're pretty good. They'd be branded under KDK as well. I bet they both work. Oh God, that's not good. Look at that, it's green with corrosion. It is a Kyoto, Kyoto. We'll just plug it in anyway, why not? Let's put it on low. The audio recorder here. Yeah, bearings are free, just makes a little bit of noise. These 9-inch fans kind of suck compared to the 12-inch ones. Since it's basically a Panasonic fan, it might have a riveted motor, and that would suck. I don't know how to put bits in that Ryobi drill. Dude, it's easy on my dad's DeWalt, but Ryobi, it's like impossible. It's weird. It puts off a good breeze. Do the spin down time. I like to do it from low. Let's put the recorder down right here. Wow. That's fantastic. That doesn't need to be serviced at all. Holy crap. This thing's mint, but not in appearance. Wow, it's still going. Of course, there's a freak show in the other room. Grabbing my drink there. That is amazing. Damn. It's got to be 40 seconds or more. Okay, let's try this one. Bearings are dry. Huh. It works though. Alright. So yeah, more workbench videos coming up where we fix stuff on the workbench. Huh. Even the oscillation works. Who throws out two working fans? I mean, this one I can understand. It's from 2008, so I guess it slightly has a right to be that noisy. I mean, the last box fan I found, the last fan period, was that Aerospeed box fan. What was that from? 2021 or 23 or 22? Nice slow oscillation. Oh, I don't have it set the right way. The front is right here. Set right so it's on camera correct. Yeah. So yeah, they both work. Go figure. So yeah, we're gonna service this one and clean it. So yeah, we're gonna clean and service this one soon. Might not do it today because it's Labor Day, I think. Yeah, Labor Day. And that one just needs a cleanup. I might paint the guard because it's rusty right there. That really sucks.